Hey there, I'm Joe from Skycomp Solutions, and today I'm going to walk you through the top 5 IT requests that you can actually solve on your own. Those tips might speed up your work process and boost your inner IT pro. If you have a hard time doing it, don't ever hesitate to reach out for help at Skycomp. Let's just dive right into it. I'm pretty sure we've all seen this message. Your Windows password is about to expire. No panic and no stress. You don't need to wait for someone to reset it for you. Everything you need is just a couple clicks away. Depending on your organization, this is going to go one of two ways. Let's walk through it. You're going to press your favorite shortcut that solves all of life's problems, Control-Alt-Delete. A small option menu will appear on your screen. You're going to need to select Change a Password. One of two things is going to happen. Either you'll be able to change your password right there, or you're going to get taken to your Microsoft account settings in a web browser. In those places, all you'll need to do is create and repeat the new password that is strong enough to protect your data. Watch our short video here to learn how to create a password that will take 1,000,000 years to hack. Next one is also pretty common. If you're leaving the office early, heading to a conference, or escaping on that dream vacation in Miami, you can set up an automatic reply in Outlook. In classic Outlook, it's going to be as follows. You're going to click Outlook, File, Automatic Replies, Enable Automatic Replies, and then choose the time frame that you'd like to send them. In New Outlook, it's going to work as follows. Click the gear button on the top right, and under the Accounts tab, choose Automatic Replies. We've even created some easy templates for you, which are listed below in the description. Now you can leave work behind and relax. I meant work hard on this conference in Miami. Ever been deep into work and bam, error pop up? Don't freak out. Usually the message tells you what the issue is. Take a screenshot of the error using Shift, Windows, and the S key. That way you can have all the details you need for when you call IT, if you still need to. But many times the message has a simple fix. Remember, don't panic, just read the message. If you're working with multiple monitors, you can actually change which one is the main screen. That's the one where your start button and desktop icons sit. To do this, right-click on the desktop, select Display Settings. Click the display you'd like to make your main one and select Make this my main display. Simple, right? You can always change which screen is the main in case you get more of them. Some of our techs work with 4 screens at the same time. Finally, and this is super important, don't click on that suspicious link from an unknown sender. They might be a potential business partner or a dangerous scammer. You never know. Phishing scams are everywhere and they're out to steal your info. Always double check the sender's email and be wary of unexpected attachments or links. If something feels off, it probably is. Watch our recent video on phishing scams to stay safe. Look at you go, we're all done here. These 5 simple tips can save you time and get you back to work without needing to call your IT guy, unless you really want to chat with us. If you found this video helpful, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips from Skycomp Solutions. Thanks for watching.